Emission intensity is proportional to the number of photons emitted by a substance. At a specific wavelength, there is a related emission intensity.
Emission intensity does depend on the properties of the dye, because the number of transitions an electron can undergo is dependent on available energy states and thus molecular structure. More energy levels corresponds to more possible transitions and vice versa for less energy levels. When an electron transitions down an energy level, it emits a photon in the form of light, losing energy overall. However, depending on the amount of energy levels available, these transitions can vary in energy outputted. A greater number of energy levels causes energy to be emitted in smaller chunks due to the large number of transitions that results in more photons being emitted within a given input of energy as compared to a molecule with less energy levels.
Depending on the energy inputted to the substance, the input can dictate how many photons will be emitted. This occurs because more energy allows for the electrons to absorb more photons and thus emit more when they relax. The color peak with the highest intensity, red or green, switches when the two individual colors are mixed. Originally, the green peak had a higher intensity than the red because the individual green dye was able to take in more chemical energy from its reaction with the activator, allowing for more photons to be emitted. When the two substances are mixed, however, the red has a higher peak because there is less energy required to excite and then emit an electron at that wavelength, since energy is indirectly proportional to the wavelength. Also, the red dye is able to absorb photons emitted by the green dye, since the red dye absorbs photons of longer wavelengths and therefore lower energy.
This can be analogous to price differences in two stores, Walmart and Nordstrom. If we gave two customers $50 each and sent them to the different stores, the customer that goes to Walmart, the less expensive store, will be able to buy more things than the customer that goes to Nordstrom, the more expensive store. In this example, the amount of things that can be purchased correlates to the emission intensity. The person who goes to Walmart would be able to buy about 5 shirts, whereas the one that goes to Nordstrom would only be able to buy 1 shirt. Therefore, with a given energy input of $50, Walmart would have a higher emission intensity. Thus, molecules with more available energy states or transitions can compare to Walmart, and the molecules with less available energy states or transitions can compare to Nordstrom.